What's going on, guys? Pod Ranger here, and it's pretty crazy weather right now. As you can see, the rain's coming down pretty good, and crazy winds and lightning like crazy. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty insane out here now, but whoa, looks pretty awesome. And now the rain is coming down harder and stronger, being blown everywhere by the wind. Wow. Pretty freaking sweet in my opinion. And I'm standing out here like an idiot with a camera in hand, filming this. Probably not smart, but I couldn't miss this opportunity. Jeez. You guys hear that? This is just crazy. Wow. Kids, don't do this at home. Be safe, don't be stupid. I'm a college kid, so I'm expected to do stupid stuff. I just wouldn't recommend it. I'm going back inside before I get swept up like Dorothy. And I really don't want to go to Oz or Kansas or anywhere else. So, Pod Ranger out, you guys be safe, and oh boy, take care.